Picture this: you've been driving along California's endless highways, the desert sun slowly sinking, and all you want is a reliable place to crash that won't drain your travel budget. That's where Motel 6 Fontana comes in. But is it just a basic stopover, or can it actually enhance your road trip experience? Let's take a closer look. First impressions matter, and Motel 6 Fontana keeps things simple. It's easy to find, right off the I-10, making it a convenient choice if you're driving between Los Angeles, Palm Springs, or even further toward Arizona. The exterior is modest, exactly what you'd expect from a budget motel chain, but what travelers really want to know is what happens once you check in. Inside, the rooms follow the Motel 6 signature style: minimal, practical, and straightforward. Think wood-effect floors, a clean bathroom, and a bed that's more functional than luxurious. Don't expect fancy decor or high-end amenities here. The focus is on affordability and essentials. Yet, many road trippers actually appreciate this no-frills approach. After all, when you're just passing through, you need a clean, safe, and affordable spot to rest, not a resort. What sets this location apart is its proximity to local conveniences. Right nearby, you'll find fast food restaurants, gas stations, and stores to stock up on road trip supplies. The Ontario International Airport is just a short drive away, making it useful if you're catching an early flight. Plus, for motorsports fans, the iconic Auto Club Speedway is practically around the corner, so this Motel 6 is often a go-to spot for racing weekends. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, budget-friendly rates, pet-friendly policies, and straightforward parking right outside your room. If you're traveling with your furry companion, this is a huge bonus. On the downside, walls can be thin, and noise from neighboring rooms or the freeway might be noticeable. The amenities are basic, so don't expect complimentary breakfast or luxury extras. So, is Motel 6 Fontana worth it? If you're planning a California road trip and just need a reliable stop between destinations, the answer is yes. It delivers what it promises: affordability, convenience, and accessibility. For travelers who value simplicity over luxury, this place checks the boxes. But if you're after an extended stay with high-end comfort, you may want to look at other options nearby. At the end of the day, Motel 6 Fontana proves that sometimes less is more when you're on the move. It's not about the extras, but about giving you the essentials at a price that makes long journeys possible. So, would you choose Motel 6 Fontana for your next California road trip stop, or do you prefer spending a bit more for added comfort?